Welcome back. Now we are creating a level for our product or wishlist membership. And we're going to start now with the requirements tab. You're going to notice then that there are going to be 5 features that you're going to have turned off by default. Now again, all of these things are going to be optional. You can do them if you want to have them so that you can secure your membership as well as determine that the individual is going to be intent on gaining access. For example, you can require a member to confirm their email. You can require them to tick off terms and conditions. You can require them to use a CAPTCHA when they enter. All of these are things that will not necessarily make or break their registration. However, they are things that you can use in order to confirm the individual that will become part of the product. Then the next tab is going to be the additional settings. For example, what you can do is you can allow an individual to reset their registration date inside of your membership if they are becoming part of an expired level or for an active level. In the redirect area, what you're doing is you are controlling what an individual sees when they become part of your page or membership. So for example, when an individual registers, you can control exactly what they see next. That would be a redirect. You can control what they see when they log in. Again, you are customizing for this individual product. And again, you can customize for this individual product's logout. So again, what you're doing is you're adding on to the default behavior and you're controlling what they see. One use for a login or logout redirect is to show individuals a specific page where you may have some kind of monetizable offer. Now again, talking about this individual level or product, we can control what an individual sees in terms of their email notification when they become a new registrant. So when an individual signs up for a specific membership level, you can control the exact message that they see by writing in here what you want them to see, as well as the subject line. You can also control the email that the administrator gets when there is a new registration. You can also control what an individual sees when their registration is incomplete. Again, now there is a default message here, but you can write one here in this area. Once you've completed all 5 areas, you can then return to your total levels. And you'll see your membership level or your product name here, and this is an internal product name for Wishlist member. Now another way to do this is to use the Getting Started wizard, and you can access this wizard by clicking Get Started. You can then click Add Level, and Wishlist member will walk you through a wizard of choices that will allow you to answer questions to determine all of the same things for a level that we just did manually. So again, this is an easier way if you would rather just answer questions that the wizard gives you. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.